welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is the routine towards my channel. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a content, you'll be the first to receive the content from my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to do some curry goat head and belly. So I have some of the belly of the goat. And I use this side of the goat head. And I use two of the foot. And I put up the rest of it for another day, right? So I have my scallion, my onion and my thyme in some clean water. Because it's very important to wash your vegetables when you buy them from whatever supplier. Now are the best part when I go chop up the goat head. Cut up the goat head and then put them in some clean water and clean them off. Just little scrapings off of them, like some of the excess amount of block. So guys, this is the goat head and belly clean and cut up. So I'm gonna use some shredded garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, all-purpose season, garlic powder, shredded ginger, pimento seed. I'm going to add in the season, which is the garlic, the pepper, onion, thyme, scallion, ginger, and this is 1 tablespoon of meat season, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and just a little bit of pimento, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season, and I'm going to use some curry. I'm going to mix everything together now. So guys, here I have the meat done season up, so I'm gonna put it to marinate for 2 hours, and then after I'm gonna start doing the cooking. I'm just waiting on the oil to hot before actually burns the curry. And guys, if you are gonna cook the goat head and belly, I recommend you guys use a pressure cooker and pressure it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, now the pot hot. Basically I'm gonna burn some of the curry just to get the curry mild and the meat. So the pot I rock too much, so I go for the rag. That's you can actually hold the pot, right? So now me I go add in the meat in the pot, right? I'm gonna just give it a turn, and then I am going to cover it, make the meat produce the own liquid, so we're not going to add no water in it as yet. So as I was explaining earlier on in the video about letting the meat produce its own liquid, and just a check back on it, and not even add any water in it as yet. So I'm gonna shred some vegetable, but before I even do it, I have the vegetable in a like small bowl here with some salt water. So it's like 1 teaspoon of salt, and this is how me prepare my vegetable before even shredding them by washing them in some salt water, right? Guys, I'm gonna use some tomato in the shred vegetables. So me done shred out the cabbage already, and me I go shred the cucumber and the carrot now. So I'm just getting off the green part of the cucumber. And then I'm gonna shred the carrot. So I'm gonna start off with that amount of carrots, because I don't want to overpower the shred vegetable with too much of one color, right? Guys, the goat still left on the fire, which are the goat head, still a cook. But me say me I put on the rice in the meantime inside. So me add on the water already. So me add quarter stick of butter, piece of scallion, piece of thyme, 1 tablespoon of salt. So now that the water boil up, the next step is to wash the rice and then add the rice into the pot. Now guys, now that the goat head and belly done cook, so basically me I go just re-season over the pot. So me I go use some scallion, some Irish potato, and some carrot. I'll make them go and simmer. So I go also add a quarter stick of butter in it. And the onion and the sweet pepper. Just to make everything go and simmer down, you know. Yes, sir. Now that the rice dry down, the next step is to cover the pot with a piece of plastic, and the plastic will help to make the rice steam. So when the plastic cover the rice steam and come out perfect, meaning it will come out shelly, and that's how me cook my rice. So guys, now we are going to check on the rice once more. Yep, this is it. So guys, I'm checking back on the goat head and belly. Apparently simmer down now and everything finished, so I will take it off now. I'm just showing what I go on. Everything good. So the rice done cook, the vegetable done shred, and the meat done. So that a hit for today. And may I say big thanks to the cameraman who was behind the scene who make the thing happen today, guys. So shout out to the cameraman. So we come to the end of the video, guys, and this is the curry goat head with belly and white rice. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more awesome content.